Hello everyone, this is 9th of May 2025, first day of me starting with basics of Python. So I've started with understanding about list, dictionaries and tuple, which are the basic data frames of Python. And here I've created a mini project, but in this I've just used lists and the function of lists and different loops that I've used. So basically, this is a pet store in which the user can give the input of which pet they wish to adapt, whether it is a dog or a cat, and based on that, the list will be displayed, and the user will select any of the element of the list, and after selection, that element will be removed from the list. So these are the errors that I faced while making this project. Uh, in this fourth line of the code, I have given the choice for the user to input which pet they would like to adopt. Here I didn't use this input function, which caused error in working this loop out, because whenever we give a condition in a loop, it is very important to understand that the choice over here is a numerical value. So this should also be an integer, right? Because whenever we take input in Python, it is basically in the form of a string and it's supposed to be converted to an integer. So this is the first error. And further on, I had a doubt that why have I used, like, obviously I took help of Gemini. Uh, this is the best feature of Google Colab, I guess. So just got a question that why is it necessary to give a choice out here again when the user had previously selected the choice over here. So the thing is, uh, in this case of the loop, it's important to tell that where is the interpreter supposed to find this my choice, right? So this is kind of we are giving it an instruction to find this particular my choice in choice 1, which is box list. And further on, this one is, I guess, of no use because I'm still getting the error of case sensitivity. But this was something new that I learned, that to find if the user has input, like if I have uh, in my list I have capital PUG and the user has entered in small letters PUG. So this one will help user to no, this one will help the interpreter to convert that PUG of the list or the user to the PUG that is present in the list. So this is dog.lower for dog in dogs list, right? So this is dog.lower, which will convert the input into small letters for dog, which is a particular element in the dogs list. So this is very important to keep in mind. And here is something new that I understood, which is uh, F quote curly braces my choice, which will just here in place of this, it will enter the choice of the user while it gives us the output. And here again, as I told you that there is a case sensitivity error in this code, I'll show you. See, in the list I have it as PUG, capital PUG, but if I enter it all in small letters, I am going to get an error. This is something which I am looking forward to solve because I didn't understand yet that what's the actual issue. But if I enter it in the same way as it is in the list, it doesn't give me an error and also executes the program of removing that element which the user has selected from the list. So this is the only error in this code, and the next one I will try to use more functions related to list, and I will try to figure out what's the problem in this, and I'll go for dictionaries. That's it.